You are using a device that can perform trillions of operations per second, and yet the letters on your keyboard were arranged to solve a problem that no longer exists. You didn't choose this layout. You inherited it. A man you've never met, who has been dead for over a century, picked where your fingers go, and you pay that decision every day. It's the 1860s. Christopher Sholes is trying to build the first practical typewriter. The problem isn't how fast can humans type. The problem is the machine can't keep up. Inside the typewriter, each key is a metal arm. Press a letter, the arm swings up, hits the ribbon, stamps the paper. Now type quickly. Two arms swing at once. They collide. They jam. The machine stops. You stop. You swear. You unjam it. Repeat. So Sholes does something clever, if cruel. He rearranges the keys, not to make typing faster, to make typing less likely to break the machine. Common letter pairs get separated. Easy patterns get interrupted. Fingers have to travel. The typewriter gets breathing room, and it works. The machines sell, the layout spreads, schools teach it, businesses standardize it, then the typewriter dies, computers arrive, no metal arms, no collisions, no jamming. The original problem is gone, but the layout stays, because by then it's not just hardware, it's habits, it's training, it's muscle memory, it's a map in millions of brains. So what does that legacy cost? On QWERTY, a lot of typing involves unnecessary finger travel. Not because computers need it, because old typewriters did. Now compare it to a layout designed around human hands, not metal arms. Dvorak was designed to keep common letters near your strongest fingers. More work on the home row, less reaching, less bouncing, same words, same job, more movement. QWERTY makes your fingers run. Optimized layouts let them stroll. And if you type all day, that difference isn't abstract. It's fatigue, it's strain, it's repetition. So why isn't everyone using Dvorak or Colmac or any of the other better layouts? Because the problem isn't availability. You can switch right now, free, in seconds. The real cost is not money. The cost is time spent being useless. A typical QWERTY typist is functional. Fast enough, comfortable enough. Switch layouts and you don't learn a new keyboard. You erase the one your brain already built. For a while, your hands don't know where anything is. Your speed collapses. Your mistakes explode. Email becomes painful. Work becomes slow. Every sentence feels like a fight. Yes, you can recover. Yes, you can retrain. But the retraining cost is paid up front, and the benefits arrive slowly. So most people do the rational thing. They don't switch. The perfect system exists. The price of getting there is too high. This is the part nobody likes to admit. The world is not full of bad systems waiting to be replaced by good ones. The world is full of systems that became too expensive to change. QWERTY didn't win because it was the best layout. It won because it got there first, and then became the default. Economists call this path dependence. Once a standard spreads, it gains gravity. Tools, training, expectations, everything locks around it. And after a while, better stops mattering, because changing costs more than enduring. So here we are, a solution invented for a mechanical problem on a machine that no longer exists, is still controlling where your fingers go, not because anyone chose it today, because someone chose it first. Dvorak and friends may be more efficient, often more comfortable, designed for humans, not hardware. And you're still going to type on QWERTY, because the cost of fixing it is higher than the cost of living with it. There are no solutions, only trade-offs. You'll finish watching this. You'll go back to typing. And now every keystroke comes with a small, uncomfortable fact. Somewhere in the 1860s, Christopher Sholes rearranged a set of keys, and the rest of us never looked back.